Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Today I am here to talk something very critical considering the uncertainties that we have, the confusions that we have. A lot of people who have taken vaccination, those who have not taken vaccination, those who stay at home all time, those who have to compulsorily go out for job, all are in the kind of confused state, having lot of anxiety. Some people are worried whether the vaccination is safe. Some people are worried about the side effects of vaccination. So many things. But you know what? All these things are not in our circle of influence. We can't do anything about them, including what government can do, what government cannot do. We cannot worry about that. But this situation is also pushing us to think for the long term by we altering our lifestyle to become healthy and fit. We can think of long term benefits, and this is possible when we develop healthy lifestyle so that we can develop our immune system. First, let us understand what is this immune system. uh, I will give a simple example. If you cut an apple and keep it for some time, you know what will happen? It turns brown. That process is called oxidation. Same thing is happening in our body on a daily basis. Whenever you eat junk food, whenever you get stressed out, when you eat too late in the night, oxidation is happening in our body on a daily basis. And imagine it happens over a period of weeks, months, years, and that's how our body becomes weak, because the immune system becomes weak. So, but if you put lemon juice onto the apple which has turned brown, it gets back its original color, because lemon has antioxidant properties. So all the vegetables or foods which has vitamin C, they have antioxidant properties. So we can also do that. So how do we do that? The first thing that we need to take care, we need to include lot of vitamin C rich food on a daily basis. Either it can be Indian gooseberry, guava, or we can have orange as a part of our food. We can include lemon as a part of our food, right? This is very critical. Second thing, or the general rule might be, we can include 50% of our food as raw food. Second thing that we need to take care is, we need to finish our dinner by 7 p.m. or maximum by 8 p.m. When we do this, by 10 o'clock, our digestion is done. So entire night our body can work on healing, and that's how our immune system can become very strong. This is one. Second thing, we need to do workout for 30 to 40 minutes. Considering the restrictions that we have now, if you can do something at home, fantastic. If you can do a little bit of warm up and 12 rounds of Surya Namaskara, it can give wonderful results. And maybe in the evening time, take 15 to 20 minutes and do certain pranayamas like Anulom Vilom, Kapalpati, Bastrika, Simmakriya. All these things will help you strengthen your lungs. That's how you will develop your immune system. This is the second thing. Third thing that you need to take care is, you need to meditate on a daily basis at least for 10 to 15 minutes, because this will take lot of stress out of your body and mind. Nowadays what is happening, a lot of people, they take care of all the precautions. They use mask, they use sanitization, they take care of all the kashayas, antioxidants, everything, but they are always worried, what will happen to me, what will happen to me. That is also going to result in oxidation. So we need to take care of all the precautionary measures that is required, and at the same time leave some work for God so that He can take care, right? We need to be off that stress from our mind. So take care of everything. At the end of the day, sleep peacefully and live joyfully. This will take care of most of the things. So develop healthy habits for the long term benefits. All the best to you. Thank you.